So hello everyone, today in this video I will discuss about what is cryptocurrency and I'm just telling you some few steps of the cryptocurrency, right? Because you know that cryptocurrency is trending now. Okay, so you need what is cryptocurrency, because if you don't know that cryptocurrency, then in your futures you will be regret. So you have to try to understand the what is cryptocurrency and how it will be work, because this is very important for you. Okay, so today in this video I'm basically telling you what is cryptocurrency and some few steps on of the cryptocurrency, right? So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So what is cryptocurrency? So cryptocurrency is the international and digital currency. Okay, because it's have no shape and size. No one can see this currency because it's a digital currency. Obviously it's a digital currency, right? And cryptocurrency also be a payment methods like a bank, because you know that through the bank you can transactions. Okay, and also be same as the in case of cryptocurrency. Okay, it's same as the cryptocurrency. Through the cryptocurrency you can transactions. Okay, and you know that now the more and more companies, many more companies are issue their own cryptocurrency or own currency, because the currency, that means cryptocurrency, is trending. So that's why every means not every, some of the companies are issue their own currency, right? And you have to remember another things. If your money, okay, if you income some money, so where you savings, obviously bank. Okay, but in case of cryptocurrency, you cannot saving, you cannot you cannot deposit your cryptocurrency in a bank accounts, normal bank account, because your bank account don't know on about this cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's why your bank does not allow this currency. But if you want to deposit your cryptocurrency to any bank account or any secure bank account, that is called blockchains. Okay, because you know that what is blockchain? The blockchains is a cryptocurrency accounts. Okay, every whatever the cryptocurrency you just, whatever amount, that is not matter, you can deposit it in the blockchains, that is not matter. Okay, so I hope you just clear. Okay, you just clear on about the what is cryptocurrency. Okay, so my second steps is how many cryptocurrency are working on the market. Okay, it's because it's very important for you. So it's I'm just researching on the internet, that is more than equal to 6,700 cryptocurrency are working in on our market. Okay, on our markets, because you know that every company or more and more companies are issue their own currency. That's why it's gradual increase. Okay, it's gradual increase. And finally I'm just telling you what how many companies, that how many cryptocurrencies are working on our markets. That is 6,700 cryptocurrency are working on our market, right? So another steps is what best cryptocurrency on the market. Okay, so which one is the best cryptocurrency, which is highlighted, means which cryptocurrency now trending. Okay, so I'm just write down, because I'm just read the internet. I'm not forget all the things. That's why I'm just write down. I'm just telling you step by one by one which one is the trending now. Okay, so first one is the Bitcoin. So all of you know that what is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the very popular coin now in the cryptocurrency, because I'm just telling you one thing. Before few months, I also noticed that in Bitcoin price in the Indian rupees 24 or 20 lakhs. Okay, 24 to 25, 20 lakhs to 24 lakhs. Okay, and it's now times it's Indian rupees 50 lakhs. Okay, in Indian rupees 50 lakhs. So you just compare how much powerful this coin. Okay, how powerful this currency. And if you're telling you in the United States, it's $57,000. Okay, it's nearly equal to $57,000. It's very much powerful, means Bitcoins. Okay, so first one is what? Bitcoin. So second currency is Ethereum. Okay, so third one is Binance coin, and fourth one is XRP, and fifth one is Tether, and sixth one is Cardano, and seventh one is Polkadot. Eighth one is Uniswap, and ninth is Litecoin, and 10 is Stellar. Okay, so these are the 10 currency are is the best. Okay, then these are the 10 currency is the best on the market, right? So this is I think you just understand best coins on the market. Okay, so basically 10 coins. I already told you 10 coins. What are the 10 coins, right? So my this steps is what why cryptocurrency is so viral, I mean so popular, not viral. Why the cryptocurrency so popular? Okay, because you know that people's thinking and most of the things means you know that which ones research on about this cryptocurrency. They also told us what cryptocurrency also gives us more profit in the futures. Okay, okay, like you know that bitcoins examples. Okay, cryptocurrency gives us more profits in the future. That's why the people's that's why not people's, that's why this currency, that cryptocurrency is so popular. Okay, so second reason is what it's an international currency. Okay, it's an international currency because it's a big thing is what big solution is what if it is international currency, then we can transaction very easily country to country. So that's why this currency and this cryptocurrency is more popular. Okay, so another things I'm telling you, another steps is what how to buy and sell this cryptocurrency, because this is the most important things. So this is the very vast topics. Okay, and I'm just telling you another video. Okay, I'm just telling you step by steps in another video. Okay, so I hope you just receive some information from this video. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channels, because in this channel I'm uploading money making videos and you know that motivation videos. Okay, so please do subscribe my channels, and subscribe bottom right side you have to find a bell icon. You just hit that, because when I upload any videos in my YouTube channels, you get notifications immediately. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next video. Thank you.